Alright guys, so the first thing we're gonna do to achieve luminous skin is with my Dior Glow Maximizer. Yeah, Dior Glow Maximizer. I've already put moisturizer on, and I'll have everything listed in the description box. And I'm gonna go in with a brush. I'm gonna just put it on the back of my hand, going like that, and I'm just gonna put these on my cheeks, right? Because we want to be luminous on our very high points of our face, and I really like this one. Go in with my M.A.C strobe cream, and you're probably like, that is a lot. I'm gonna go in with my IT Cosmetics Illumination CC cream. This has a great SPF 50 in it, which is really good for summer. It's great actually. I really love this stuff. It's got anti-aging hydrating serum, which your girl needs. I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna take it and just mix it, and I'm gonna whip that baby on with my beauty blender, and I will the skin looks really healthy. And now I'm gonna go in with I want to go ahead and brighten up my under eye, so I'm gonna go in with my BECCA Under Eye Brightening Concealer. Just take a concealer brush, and I'm gonna just dip into this pot, and I'm gonna just lightly put it right here in this corner, just in the dark spots. So what you can do is you can just look down, and you see that dark, that's what you want to cover. You can even kind of come and put it up in your tear duct, just to kind of like brighten up the eye. Boom. Take my Born This Way concealer. I feel like because I'm tan, it's really bright on me, but like your girl don't have another concealer that's a little darker. I'm probably gonna put this on and then just like kind of lightly go over it with my foundation, just to kind of give it like a nice little match. Put a dot here, dot here, go down the center of the nose, the forehead, the chin. We're gonna blend this out with my beauty blender. This concealer goes a really long way, guys, so don't get too heavy-handed, otherwise it'll start looking really cakey really fast. If you like that look, by all means, girl, pack it on then. My under eye creases are like really coming strong lately, like they're out for a vengeance. So I'm gonna take my IT concealer brush, and I'm gonna try to just like buff it. And I'm gonna just take a little bit and put right here, just like 2 little dots, and I'm gonna go back in with this concealer brush and just kind of buff it in. So now I'm going to take my setting powder. You can use any setting powder that you have, Right now I'm using the RCMA setting powder, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in your beauty blender and you're gonna kind of like tap it, right? Get all that excess off, and then it's like kind of melting with the beauty blender, and you're gonna simply just press and roll. And I know I don't normally do this because I'm like so excited to film that I'm just like, oh, this is how you do it, you know? These are some tips and tricks that I have learned. Just like that. Good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and spray myself with the makeup setting spray from Scandinavia. I really like this stuff. If you ever have a chance to buy it, I recommend. And I'm just gonna kind of push it in. With my Anastasia Glow Palette, I'm gonna take it on a fan brush, and we're just going to dip in that baby. Let's mix a little amber gold in there too. So let's get both of them. And we're just going to put this at the highest points. I'm gonna go ahead and just take a tapered highlighting brush, and I'm going with white sand and amber gold, and I'm gonna slightly mist my brush. If you use your beauty blender to just press it in, it looks more skin-like. We already have a really good amount of illumination going on, so it's really up to you how dewy you want to look without actually being dewy. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face. I will be back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed a healthy looking, glowy skin summer look. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. I hope it was pretty simple for you. I try to keep it as minimal as possible. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.